Good morning, welcome to the third video. So this is my daily morning routine, watering all the seedling, because in the greenhouse with this heat I arrive to water it even 2-3 times a day, because they are so young and these trays are 160, so the cells are really so small, so if I leave it, it will dry. And yeah, all now is autumn, early autumn, early winter crops like Chinese cabbage, radicchio and bok choy and salad and endivia, scarola, all this family which I need to be transplanted in the all next weeks until the transplanting season is finished, which is around early October. And now we are in the early August, so we have 2 months more of bed preparation and transplanting every day. Round for the winter crop. First started with cabbage and brassicas family, Brussels sprout, all the cabbage, all the broccoli, all the cauliflower, different types. Some are early to harvest, some are a bit late to harvest, so you have a succession of harvesting. And we have now this crops, which is the second round, and after will be third round of spinach and finocchio and like fennel and chard, silver beet and beetroot and many different other types. So show you next days. And today backing to our beds. Last time I already till it well and I put the ropes to keep doing another 2 here and there. I think a bit more I can get before the manure, because after up there I cannot, because it's all this kind of cane like this one there, like it's terrible plant, like it's really invasive. And I just put the manure here to find to just use this area, but I put it on the top of this metal sheets so I can smother this plant a bit. It's really tough plant because it have so deep, huge roots. Like check this. This is one of the roots. And yeah, I cut it like continuously every 2 weeks or something, and it grows really so fast. And here how I shape the beds in the hard way. So yeah, now all the manures are covered. We move it from here to here, and now with the rake we just rake it and ready to transplant. Now it's covered, we pass with the grader. So the 3 rows exactly like here, 25 centimeter distant. Transplant Endivia in these 2 beds. No, one of the beds will be Endivia. So this is our trays. We seed it all 160, and they have the holes in the back. So we invent this tool, which they can sell it, but it costs 200 euros, and it cost me just 4 euros what I pay for this wood thing and 1 day of work. But it's really efficient and save a lot of time. Like in the past, I calculate to push it on from the bottom one by one. It might take 5-7 minutes per tray, and some days we do many trays, like 12 tray, and it takes around 2 hours just pushing this out. But with this tool, it's really super fast. It takes 30 seconds, even less, to make one tray, which is in the end you save some time, so you can do other things. And this actually one of my interesting part of farming is tool building. Of course, I would like to have more time to develop more tools, but I would like more to do the things that I can do, and the rest I just buy. So yeah, so simple tool. One day I can show you exactly how I make it. It's really so simple. So yeah, so we put this 3 insect net on the top of the Chinese cabbage here, because the Chinese cabbage, one of the most sensible one of the butterfly, the cabbage butterfly, that they eat it so fast and make it with big holes, which you can eat it, but the plant will suffer a lot, and it might be a bit less attractive for our client. And here I'm done with these 2 beds. We planted them Endivia, and this was Scarola, which is other kind of Endivia, not curly, and up there a bit of Radicchio, also different type. And here I took already a bit of the manure to put it on these 2 beds, so I have cleared a bit, and I think we can get another 2 beds we will do tomorrow, because now I need to finish fixing this 3 beds nicely with these metal hooks, which is fixed on the soil. And anyways, they don't need that much fixing, just to be sealed enough that the insect doesn't pass even from down. And yeah, that's it. So now I need to keep tilling the other area to prepare the last 2 beds, but since I'm watering the beds that I already transplanted, I will take the profit to have it a bit wet, this soil in this dry climate, which will make it easier with the tiller, so it's a bit soft to till it, to start shape these beds. That's why it will be tomorrow task. And now with the weed whacker and like the metal blade, I will start to prepare this upper terrace, which is, I didn't plant anything yet. Here next to the fence. I already cleared it from blackberry and stuff, and here the other half still abandoned. And the dream is to make it ready for planting before this winter, so we can plant a lot of seedling here as soon as possible. So I will start also because I need to pass another tube coming from the river directly to the garden, because just 2 now is not enough, since we are watering in different zones in the same time because it's so dry. So let's see how much we can clean today to come past this last tube. So here we are, half the way, start to be a bit clear, but the benzene is finished, so I need to get more. So yeah, you can see how high it went out to be, these weeds and this blackberry stuff. Here we are, the family arrived. Now I need to stop from the work, and this is the result of this terrace for today, and keep going tomorrow. Oh yeah.